Hey there! Today I'm back to you with a budget off-road electric skateboard. This is the Yecoo GTS 2-in-1 board with off-road and straight wheels. Let's check what's inside the box first and back with some specs. First thing first, the packaging looks good. The board is protected from every inch. Here we have the board itself. With orange wheels, you can actually choose either black or orange. Alright. This is the manual. The charging port. This is the plug for the charging port. Remote control with 3 different levels. The remote control USB charging port. The set tools. And here we have the extra set of 83mm street wheels with gears, and also the belt. This belt is for this 83mm wheels. Alright, that's all what it comes in the box. So let's take a look at specs. It weighs around 19 pounds and the maximum load of 330 pounds. And for the deck dimension is 38 inch with a 12.2 inch wide. And it comes with 2 sets of wheels, which is 6-inch off-road wheels is made of non-inflatable silicone tires, and PU wheels with diameter of 83mm that can provide better shock absorbing effect at the high speed. And for the battery range goes up between 12 to 21 miles with the extended range battery, with top speed of 25 miles per hour. Alright then, I will leave the link below the description with some information that you can check them out, and see you in the next one. Peace.